You are an idiot if you're not watching these three stocks for Friday's trading day. With tensions in the Middle East continuing to escalate, oil stocks continue to coil tighter and tighter as they look to explode going into the weekend. The top stock for tomorrow has massive short squeeze potential, so you do not want to miss out on what we have in store for tomorrow. As always, I'm saving my absolute favorite stock for last, so make sure to watch the full video if you like making money. Trust me, this thing looks insane. First up, and number one on the list, is the stock that exploded over 600% last week on SRM. After exploding over 600% on Monday, it's pulled back and formed a beautiful looking bottom off of Tuesdays and Wednesdays lows. That being said, I want to watch SRM on the break of trend tomorrow, likely over $8 a share. If we break over $8 a share with some serious volume, watch for entry opportunities because we have range back to that previous area of supply overhead, right up to 10 and 11 bucks a share to the upside. Now, this thing looks incredible, but unless this breaks to the upside and confirms, it's not a valid setup. Next up, and number two on the list, looks 10 times better than number one, as always, and that stock here is HOVR. Now, this thing exploded massively early in the week, and it's finally coiled and broke to the upside here going into Wednesday afternoon. So what I want to see happen here going into Friday is a pullback over 225. Now, that's not going to be the entry, but if we see price pull back over 225 and then aggressively get bought back above that 235 level, that will confirm that area of supply, which is now flipped to demand for that beautiful opportunity back to $3 a share. Again, I want to see price pull back and get bought back up aggressively to provide that confirmation. Next up, number three is a massive oiler and short squeeze in the making after announcing two offerings last week. With those two offerings, we have shorts piled in on this thing up towards its highs. Meanwhile, the daily time frame continues to coil tighter and tighter, and if this starts to make a move back to the upside, we could squeeze some serious short. Now, before I give it to you, I give you the top three stocks in the market every single day for completely free. So hit that like button to say thank you, and hit that follow button as well so you're tuned in every single night for my top stock watch list. Now, this stock here is RBNE. This was one of the massive explosions in the market last week off this oil news that ran over 500%. Now, this thing has announced two offerings just in the last week alone, so there's quite a lot of panic here, but that actually works in our favor. I want to see price break trend to the upside, as you can see here, find buyers over 1030, pull back, and then aggressively get bought back up to show that confirmation for that room back to the upside to 1250 and 14 tomorrow. Now, of course, this also fits the perfect theme in the market with the whole Israel-Iranian mess going on out there in the Middle East, and with how tight this chart is getting, once it picks a side, it's going to make a big move. But as always, no break, no confirmation, no trade. To unlock full access to my entire stock watch list every night and every morning, to watch me trade the biggest stocks in the market in real time every day, to get alerts, education, chat room access, and so much more, claim your 7-day free trial while the market is insanely hot, and let's end the week off on a massive note. As always, comment down below which one of these three stocks is your absolute favorite for tomorrow, and I will see you in that 7-day free trial for another record-breaking day in the stock market.